Today we'll be talking about the special interrupt, that is INT21, INT21H. Okay, and it has a weightage. Okay, and it is most useful interrupt because it will provide most of the services. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll just start with what is this interrupt 21 is all about. Okay, now you must be familiar with the DOS and the BIOS. You must be familiar with the DOS and the BIOS. DOS and BIOS. Okay, DOS and BIOS. So whenever you are talking about this DOS and BIOS, this is a DISC operating system, and this is basic input and output control system. Okay, this is basic input and output control system and DISC operating system. Okay, now when we are using the TASM, we are actually using the DOS command. Okay, TASM, T-Link, TD. So these are all the commands associated with the DOS. Okay, and most of the interfacing of your PC with the IO devices, it may be printer, it may be scanner, it may be keyboard, it may be mouse, it may be camera, whatsoever. It is basically through the BIOS. It is basically through the BIOS. Okay, so it is a basic input and output control system. Using this particular system, we are actually interfacing our input output devices. Okay, input output devices. Okay, in the DOS also, whatever the program you are writing down in the TASM, that is getting executed, and the output we are able to see on the screen. Okay, now the output can be seen on the screen, or else if you want, you can print on the printer. Okay, you can print on the printer. So what I meant to say that there are many services which are associated with the input output devices. Okay, so through the PC to the IO devices, whatever the interfacing is there, so that is mostly governed by the software, that is a DOS or BIOS. DOS or BIOS. Okay, now as far as DOS are concerned, there is a specific interrupt. There are specific interrupt which are giving these services. Okay, I have already told you the interrupts for DOS are, that is from, you can write down along with me, that is INT20H to INT2FH. So these are the dedicated interrupts associated with the DOS. So they are called as the DOS operated interrupts. DOS operated interrupts. No doubt they are the software interrupts, but they are operated by the DOS. The DOS is giving the service, or the service are provided by the DOS. And as far as BIOS are concerned, the interrupts which we have, they are from INT10H to INT17H. So these are the dedicated software interrupts for BIOS, and INT20H to INT2FH are the dedicated interrupts for DOS. Okay, for DOS. So as far as INT21H is concerned, this is associated with the DOS. This is associated with the DOS. Okay, so what I can say about the INT21, so and I'm speaking very specific now to INT21. Okay, now whatever the we have to access IO devices, we can use the DOS operating system. If I want to access IO devices, I can use the DOS, and in this DOS, I will be using INT21H, because INT21H is giving you the specific services. Which are these services? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to see. Okay, and there are many services. Okay, so can I say INT21H is one of the interrupts among 256 interrupts? You know that 256 are the software interrupts. INT00 se leke INTFF. So out of that, INT21 is one of the interrupts out of 256 interrupts. Okay, and INT21 is dedicated to DOS. Okay, so whenever I will be talking about 21, you should be clicked that this is a DOS related interrupt. Okay, DOS related interrupt. Now whenever I want to use this INT21, you cannot use as it is. That has to be specific with some instruction. Okay, because INT21H will be using in the program, but with this INT21H, we have to use some specific instructions. We have to use some specific instructions. So which are these specific instructions? We'll see. Okay. So जो भी मैं लिख रहा हूँ, you please write down along with me. Okay. So this was about the DOS and the BIOS. Okay. So 20 से लेके 2F और यहाँ पे 10 से लेके 17. Okay. Even I will show you. I have an appendix that what are the how many services are provided by 21. There are n number of services. There are many number of services. Okay. At the last I will show you this thing I am teaching from the Nagur Kani. Okay. So at the last page. Okay, at the last pages you have appendix 2, which is dedicated to show you how many interrupt services can be provided. Okay, so we will see this. So whenever you talk about the INT21, which are the services they are providing? So I have told you there are many n number of services they are providing. So we are not going to see all the services. I am going to see only 4 or 5 services. Okay, and from that we will come to know, yes, what could be the other services. Okay, so we'll see one by one services. But before you understand the services, we will understand the explanation provided by DOS in 3 ways. Okay, in 3 ways. What I mean to say that to understand any service provided by INT21, okay, for that we are using 3 parameters. So 3 parameters will give us the explanation of that particular service for that particular service. Okay, so that thing is we can write down. Please write down the explanation provided by DOS interrupt. You please write down that the explanation provided for DOS interrupt consists of following 3 sections. I'm repeating. The explanation provided for DOS interrupts consists of following 3 sections. And section number 1. Section number 1. So under the section number 1, write down operation. Okay. And for operation, you please write down. This section explains the dedicated operation performed. This section explains the dedicated operation performed by the interrupt. While writing, try to understand. Everything I am going to explain, but with that, before I explain with an example, this thing you should know. So whatever the interrupts 21H में जो services है, that dedicated services will be able to understand by 3 sections. First section is operation. तो operation क्या बताता है? This section explains the dedicated operation performed by the interrupt with specified function code. और function code को underline करो. With the specified function code. Function code को underline करो. Bracket में लिखो और सर्विस नंबर. तो हम फंक्शन कोड भी कह सकते हैं या फिर सर्विस नंबर भी कह सकते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन से फंक्शन कोड और सर्विस नंबर. तो व्हाट इज दिस फंक्शन कोड, व्हाट इज दिस सर्विस नंबर, वी आर गोइंग टू सी. ओके, ये हो गया ऑपरेशन के लिए. सेकंड लिखो. सेकंड सेक्शन इज एक्सपेक्ट्स. Before I do the operation, what is the expectation? Before I do the operation, what is the prerequisite? क्या होना चाहिए? That is expect. Expect में लिखो. This section explains the register. And parameter settings. This section explains the register and parameter settings required before accessing the service. इसलिए ऑपरेशन पर होने के पहले मेरा क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? एक्सपेक्टेशन इन द सेंस कि what are the condition which has to be satisfied before I do the operation. Okay, so what you have written, this section explains the register and parameter settings required before accessing the service. So that is number 2 section. Number three, that is returns. ऑपरेशन होने के बाद जो कुछ मिलता है, ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होने के बाद जो कुछ मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिटर्न. ऑपरेशन होने के बाद जो कुछ मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिटर्न. ऑपरेशन होने के पहले क्या कंडीशन है वो सेटिस्फाइड होनी चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सपेक्ट्स. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक्सपेक्ट्स इज बिफोर ऑपरेशन, that the condition should be satisfied, and after operation whatever I am getting as a result or whatsoever, that is called as a return. So please write down in the return. This section explains the status of a service call. This section explains the status of a service call, the status of a service call, and return parameters after the response of the service, and return parameters after the response of the service, and return parameter after the response of the service. सर्विस होने के बाद जो कुछ रिटर्न में आता है, that is called as return in short. Okay, so 1 2 3. So for every service we are going to see 1 2 3. For every service we are going to see 1 2 3. Okay, so now we are in the state to understand the services. I have already told you we will not go, because there are very n number of services. We will only see 4 to 5. We will see only 4 to 5. Okay, so write down different functions. Now write down the heading as different functions of 21H. Different functions of 21H. Different functions of 21H. Different functions of don't write 21H, you write INT 21H. Write down different functions of INT 21H. तो अभी हम जो सर्विसेज है 1 2 3 4 5, हम 5 देखेंगे या 4 देखेंगे. ओके, सो नंबर 1, you can write the heading as to input a character. 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 Okay, to input a character. Okay, now to input a character, I have already told you we'll understand this service by 3 sections. So write down number 1, operation. Number 1, operation. Now I am talking about the first service, that is to input a character. Now whatever you are giving through the keyboard, whatever you give through the input device, okay, that thing I have to take as an input. मैं अगर कीबोर्ड पे A प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, so that is taken as an input. So to input a character, single character I am talking about. To input a character, I can directly use by the interrupt, software interrupt, that is INT21H. Okay, so what is the operation? You please write down the operation. Write down the operation. Wait, don't write because it should be in a smaller one. ऑपरेशन में लिखो जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ. राइट डाउन इन द ऑपरेशन, मूव AH, 01H, INT21H. So only 2 instructions, that is operation. 2 instructions, that is operation. What is this 2 instruction? Operation अब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. You have to write down further something, but these are the 2 instructions which are doing the operation. For which operation? To input a character. To input a character. So what is this operation? write down. These two instructions together will accept one single character from keyboard. These two instructions together will accept one single character from keyboard and store it in AL register and store it in AL register. ये हो गया फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन, अभी खत्म हो गया। ये दो इंस्ट्रक्शन है जो आपको कैरेक्टर इनपुट करने को बोलते हैं या फिर इनपुट लेता है। एंड वेयर इज दैट स्टोर? दैट will take one character from the keyboard and it will store it in AL register. Now second, what is a prerequisite? That is expects. उसका मतलब होता है expects. अभी expects क्या है? The expect is that you can write down. Expect is that your AH should be 01H. This is the condition. If this condition is satisfied, yes, then you can take the character from the keyboard and that character will store into AL. Then what is a return? ये हो गया सेकंड वाला। अभी थर्ड वाला मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ। हम ऐसा लिखेंगे तब हमको समझ में आता है, 1 2 3 में लिखेंगे तो समझ में आता है। ओके, सो थर्ड में क्या है? रिटर्न। अभी ये ऑपरेशन होने के बाद रिटर्न क्या है? सो इन रिटर्न यू कैन राइट डाउन AL. I will write in red color so that it will be understood properly. The return will be that AL will have the ASCII code of the input key. ASCII value of the input key. The ASCII value of the input key. Yes, now pay attention. All of you. Now I have told you we are understanding the different functions of INT21. I will be taking only 3 or 4. Okay, so first function is that if I want to input a character, for example, assume I am pressing A, capital A. Okay, so when I am pressing capital A, the ASCII value of capital A, that is suppose 41. The ASCII value of capital A, that is 41, will be stored into AL register. ASCII value of the input key. मैंने कैप दबाया, कैपिटल ए की दबाई, उसका कैपिटल ए का ASCII कोड है 41, that is stored into AL. ओके, तो वो एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस लगने वाले? यही दो इंस्ट्रक्शंस लगने वाले। पहले आएगा move AH, 01H और बाद में आएगा INT21H। ओके, और ये ऑपरेशन करने के पहले क्या कंडीशन होनी चाहिए? ये कंडीशन होनी चाहिए कि आपका AH 01 होना चाहिए। तो 01 होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने ये लिखा है move AH, 01H. तो आपका 01 will be moved into AH. Your 01 will be moved into AH. Okay, now try to understand what do you mean by function code or what do you mean by service number. So what do you mean by function code? What do you mean by service number? That is this. You can just put this into the box. Okay, you can put this into the box. This is called as function code or it is called as service number. सर्विस नंबर क्यों कहा जाता है? मुझे क्या सर्विस लेना है कि इनपुट लेना है, कैरेक्टर लेना है कीबोर्ड से, तो वो सर्विस नंबर है 01, वो सर्विस नंबर है 01, वो फंक्शन कोड है 01. ओके, सो यू विल सी INT21, लेकिन INT21 अकेले काम नहीं करेगा, उसके साथ ये भी चाहिए move AH,01. तो कैन आई से 01 is the function code to input, to take a input as a character from the keyboard. Can I say 01 is the service number or the function code which is used along with the INT21H, so that I can take I can take a character as an input from the keyboard. That is the meaning. Okay, so you have understood the operation, you have understood what is the condition required, and you have understood what is the return. Operation होने के बाद क्या होता है. Okay, so this is for the character. Write down number 2. अभी इसी में आपको सिखाऊंगा. Write down number 2. To input a string. अभी character बोला, अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ string. String बोले तो message. Okay, it is a string. Character is a single character. Now to input, now number 2 to input a string. To input a string can be a word. Okay, string can be a word. Okay, now for that yes, so to input a string, the operation, now see here whatever are the changes I am doing. Operation is that move AH, सर्विस नंबर सिर्फ चेंज होता है, सर्विस नंबर सिर्फ चेंज होता है. अभी स्ट्रिंग के लिए सर्विस नंबर है 0AH, ये डिफाइंड है 0AH, मूव AH, 0AH INT21 अकेले कभी नहीं काम करता, उसके साथ दूसरा ऑपरेशन चाहिए. सो कैन आई से व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? कंडीशन इज दैट योर AH शुड बी 0A, योर AH शुड बी 0A, your AH should be 0A. And after that, what is the yes, then your ASCII value of the message that will be stored into the memory location, or you can say it will be stored into AX. Now depending upon the size, okay, depending upon the size of the message, because see, whatever you are typing, that is converted into the ASCII number, and that ASCII number is stored. Okay, so that ASCII number is stored. Okay, so here for one character AL is sufficient, but for the string it will be stored in AX, or else it will be stored into the memory location. Okay, so that is not specified, that is by the processor itself. Okay, so to input a string, operation is this, function code or service number is 0A. So you have to remember this. Such type of question is asked in the Viva. Okay, tell me the function code to input or to take an input to put. So we'll say sir 0A. Okay, so this is for the string. So ये हो गया number 2. Now number 3. This is number 3 now. Now number 3 पे है to output a character, to output, we'll write down, that is number 3. That is number 3. Write down. Write character की जब बात करता हूं तो इट इज अ सिंगल अल्फाबेट और सिंगल लेटर. ओके, राइट कैरेक्टर टू स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट डिवाइस, ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो. इट कैन बी प्रिंटर और इट कैन बी स्कैनर, whatsoever, it is output device. थर्ड वाला आपने क्या लिखा? राइट कैरेक्टर टू स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट डिवाइस. आई हैव टू गिव समथिंग आउटपुट टू द प्रिंटर, स्कैनर और स्क्रीन के आउटपुट पे आना चाहिए. Okay, so whatever you are giving as an output, वो अगर करना है तो I'm talking about a single character, then what is the operation, what is the expect, what is the return. Okay, we will see. So write down for this, I will first write down the this one operation. I'm going to rub this. Yes, the operation is you will treat this as a example also. Okay, you will treat this as an example also, as well as the instruction. Okay, so I'm directly writing down the example that is the same as the instruction. Move, write down, move DL comma 41H, move AH comma 02H INT 21H. ऑपरेशन में आपको ये 3 इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखने हैं. मूव DL 41H, मूव AH 02H, INT 21H. यहाँ से आपको समझ में आएगा फंक्शन कोड क्या है. फंक्शन कोड इज 02. So I will write down function code या फिर service number. I am writing down the short form function code service number. Okay. अभी ये 3 इंस्ट्रक्शन है, इसके बारे में लिखो, ऑपरेशन में ही लिखना है. राइट डाउन these 3 instructions will display. Write down, these 3 instructions will display a single character. These 3 instructions will display a single character stored in DL register. इसलिए आपको DL दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. तो DL में जो भी रहेगा वही डिस्प्ले करेगा. आप बोलेंगे कि सर मुझे BL में, मेरा BX में या BL में जो भी स्टोर है वो मुझे दिखाना है. नहीं, वो BL में अगर है तो उसको DL में बुलाओ और बाद में मूव AH 02 लिखो, बाद में INT 21H करो, तब जाके आपका वो जो कैरेक्टर है वो डिस्प्ले में आएगा. So your number should be stored into DL. Okay, so what you have written, please write down. These 3 instructions will display a single character stored in DL register. DL को अंडरलाइन करो, 2-3 बार वहां पे अंडरलाइन करो ताकि अच्छे से दिमाग में जाए. Okay, stored in DL register. Yes, now let me tell you this instruction now. Move DL comma 41H. Suppose I want to display capital A. If I want to display capital A. Okay, if I want to display capital A. So this capital A का ASCII value of A is 41H. So it's 41. ASCII value of A is 41. So 41 is moved into DL. Move AH 02. That means you are calling the service. So move and INT, they both are used to call the service of a DOS. Okay. So 02 का मतलब है it will display the character or write character to a standard output device. Printer, scanner, output, screen, whatsoever. So first 41 will be moved into DL. Then these 2 instructions will be executed. Then on the screen or whatever the output device, you will be able to see A. So this will display A. Now what is the condition? Now you will understand now what is the condition. The condition is that your AH should be 02. Your AH should be 02, as well as your DL should have ASCII value of or ASCII character code. ASCII character code. अभी मुझे A डिस्प्ले करना था तो ASCII character code क्या है उसका 41. उसका है 41. Okay, so the expect is that your AH should be 02, your DL should have the ASCII character code. Then what is the return? Now there is actually no return. Because जो return है, that is nothing but we will display on the screen or the output device. So nothing is going to be stored into the register. That is the meaning. So in return, you can just write down none. you can just write down none. You can just write down none in return, because nothing is going to be stored into the any of the register. Okay, it is just going to show you the output or display the corresponding alphabet of that particular ASCII value on the screen or any output devices. That is it. So this is number 3. Number 4. Number 4 is for, ये हो गया to display the character. Now to display the string. To display the string. So number 4 is, write down. Number 4 is display string. Display string. If I want to display the string is nothing but the word, you can say, or the message, you can say. Okay, display the string. Okay, so if I want to display the string, the operation is move comma 09h, move comma 09h, int 21h.
Sir,
हाँ, yes.
sir, you are not audible, sir. अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
ठीक है, okay. So write down for this. These two instructions will display an entire string. These two instructions will display an entire string stored in memory location. Stored in memory location. Full stop. Two conditions must be satisfied. ऑपरेशन में लिखो. कंडीशन हम इसमें लिखेंगे, लेकिन ऑपरेशन में लिखो. टू कंडीशंस मस्ट बी सेटिस्फाइड. नंबर 1 कंडीशन क्या है वो लिखो, बाद में नंबर 2 मैं बताता हूँ. नंबर 1 कंडीशन इज दैट द ऑफसेट एड्रेस ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, राइट डाउन, द ऑफसेट एड्रेस ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग हैज टू बी स्टोर्ड इन dx रजिस्टर. dx को अंडरलाइन करो. The offset address of the string has to be stored in dx register. The offset address of the string has to be stored in dx register. And number 2, second condition, the string must be terminated by a dollar symbol. The string must be terminated by a dollar symbol. The string must be terminated by a dollar symbol. Yes. Now see the aspects. The first aspect is already known to you. That is, your AH should be 09. Your AH should be 09, because function code 09 will tell that I have to display the string. 09 का मतलब वही है, dedicated function code है to display the string. So your AH should be 09. Your AH should be 09. Then your DS, please write down your DS. DS आगे लिखो, DS is equals to write down segment address of the string, segment address of the string terminated by the symbol dollar, segment address of the string terminated by the symbol dollar. I'm going to explain this one. Okay, DS. Segment address of the string terminated by the symbol dollar. बाद में और एक कंडीशन क्या है, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, dx is equals to offset address of the string, offset address of the string, offset address of the string terminated by the symbol dollar, terminated by the symbol dollar, terminated by the symbol dollar. Okay, and there is nothing written, there is nothing written because we are displaying, so written is none, written is none. So all of you please pay attention, all of you pay attention. I will take an example. आपको पता है मैंने ascending descending order में मैंने एक array लिखा था, मैंने array लिखा था, db किया था, हर एक नंबर के बाद में कॉमा दिया था. Am I right? Yes. Now if you want to display, if I want to display Shobit, if I want to display the Shobit, my name, okay, so what you will say, I am specifying this in the data segment. That is why यहाँ पे data segment, I have to specify in the data segment. Okay, क्या यहाँ पे क्या बोला था कि मैं, आपने क्या लिखा था कि you will display the entire string stored in the memory location. मेरा मेमोरी लोकेशन किसमें है, डेटा सेगमेंट में. तो डेटा सेगमेंट में मैं डिफाइन करूंगा ना मेरा जो मैसेज मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है. तो मैं देखो क्या कैसे लिखूंगा डेटा सेगमेंट में. सपोज मैं लिख रहा हूँ एरे, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरिएबल, दिस इज अ वेरिएबल. ओके, नाउ डिफाइन बाइट, define byte. If you want to be on a safer side, you can write down dw, and then what I will write, I will write s comma h comma o comma b comma h comma I comma t. That is a letter for my name, shobhit. After that I will write dollar, I will write dollar, I will write dollar. So that means it will show to the processor that डॉलर के पहले वही डिस्प्ले करना है, डॉलर के पहले जो वही डिस्प्ले करना है. तो प्रोसेसर क्या विल टेक, एस का वैल्यू इट विल टेक, एच का एस का वैल्यू इट विल टेक, ओ का एस का वैल्यू इट विल टेक. ओके, आफ्टर टेकिंग दैट वैल्यू इट विल कम टू नो यस व्हाट आई हैव टू डिस्प्ले, देन shobhit विल बी डिस्प्लेड. सो आपने जो लिखा है दो कंडीशन, उसमें जो सेकंड कंडीशन है, द स्ट्रिंग मस्ट बी टर्मिनेटेड बाय ए डॉलर सिंबल. कैन यू से द स्ट्रिंग इज टर्मिनेटेड बाय डॉलर सिंबल? यस. तो ये जब आप लिखते हो ना डेटा सेगमेंट में, डेटा सेगमेंट में जो भी लिखते हो ना, दैट हैज टू बी टर्मिनेटेड बाय डॉलर सिग्नल. बाद में सेकंड कंडीशन, आपका जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन आपने जो लिखा था, द ऑफसेट एड्रेस ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग हैज टू बी स्टोर्ड इन डीएक्स रजिस्टर. दैट इज एज सिंपल एज इट इज. आपका जो ऑफसेट है, मेरा जो डेटा सेगमेंट में जहाँ पे मैंने वो shobhit लिखा है, उसका जो ऑफसेट एड्रेस मुझे चाहिए 16 बिट का, वो कहाँ पे स्टोर होना चाहिए, वो स्टोर होना चाहिए डीएक्स, वो स्टोर होना चाहिए डीएक्स. बस ये दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. नंबर वन, योर स्ट्रिंग शुड बी टर्मिनेटेड बाय डॉलर एंड योर ऑफसेट एड्रेस शुड बी मेंशन्ड इन द डीएक्स. उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, आई हैव रिटन मूव एज कॉमा 09 एंड INT 21. नाउ दिस इज जस्ट द इंस्ट्रक्शन. इफ आई वांट टू शो बाय द एग्जांपल, यू प्लीज राइट डाउन. रिटर्न होना, रिटर्न नन लिखा आपने, उसके बाद में एग्जांपल लिखो, एग्जांपल लिखो और write down this instruction. Can any one of you tell me how do you set the offset address? Already we have studied, this is not new. You tell me the instruction. I am waiting for your answer.
Sir, LEA.
You are right, you are right, LEA. So I am writing down here LEA DX कॉमा एरे. अभी ये स्पेसिफिक के लिए मैं एरे लिख रहा हूं. मेरा ऑफसेट आ गया डीएक्स में, खत्म. लोड इफेक्टिव एड्रेस आ गया मेरा एरे डीएक्स में. बाद में मूव AH कॉमा 09H ये हो गया, और बाद में INT 21H हो गया. आपके तीनों इंस्ट्रक्शंस आ गए. जिसमें आपने ऑफसेट भी कर दिया, जहाँ आपने 09 फंक्शन कोड भी एग्जीक्यूट हो गया और INT21 भी हो गया। ये सब होने के बाद आपकी स्क्रीन पे SHOBHIT आ जाएगा। दैट इज द मीनिंग। ओके, you can write down ये होने के बाद you can just write down where array is a variable, and string ends with the $sign. Where array is the variable and the string ends with the $sign. I hope this is understood to everyone. Now the last one. Number 5. The last one. Number 5. The last one. Terminate the program with return code. Terminate the program with the return code. I'm going to rub this. Return code. Terminate the program with the return code. Terminate the program with the return code. Yes, the operation is move AH comma 4CH. Move AH comma 4CH INT21H. Move AH comma 4CH INT21H. उसके बाद लिखो these two instructions will terminate the program. These two instructions will terminate the program execution. These two instructions will terminate the program execution. With return code. Return code को अंडरलाइन करो. With return code. Full stop. Continue writing down. The return code double indented में 0 लिखो. The return code 0 is generally considered as program terminating with. The return code 0 is generally considered as program terminating with successful execution. The return code 0 is generally considered as program terminating with successful execution. Yes. Expects, write down, AH equals to 4CH. AH is equals to 4CH. And your return code जो होता है वो कहाँ जाता है, वो AL में जाता है. तो expects में लिखो AL is equals to return code. AL is equals to return code. और return में लिखो none. और return में लिखो none. और return में लिखो none. इसके नीचे नोट लिखो. नोट लिखो.
सर
हाँ
सर AL में रिटर्न कोड बोला ना आपने.
हाँ
और AH में 4CH.
AH में 4CH.
ओके सर.
नोट में लिखो usually to terminate the program we use INT3H. Usually to terminate the program we use INT3H, which is most commonly used. Okay, which is most commonly used. So what I meant to say, to terminate the program, I have two options. I can go either with INT21H, that is move AH, 4CH, followed by INT21H, or else you can directly use INT3H or 03H. Okay. Now, but mostly INT03H is used. Okay. Now, please try to understand to terminate the program. Now, usually, if you write down the program, and if you want to terminate the program, and if you write down move AH, 4CH and INT21H, now what is this going to do? Your program will be executed. आप करके देखना ये. आप अभी सपोज आपने प्रोग्राम लिखा, आपने सेव किया, उसके बाद आपने TASM फाइल नेम, T-Link फाइल नेम, TD फाइल नेम, बाद में ओके आता है. बाद में अगर आपने F9 दबाया, आपने ये लिखा है प्रोग्राम में और आपने F9 दबाया, you will come out of the program. That is called as a return code. You will come out of the execution window, and you will be in the DOS command. or you will be in the system जहाँ से आपने start किया. Okay, but whenever you then after execution of the program, then you will see for the you will see the data segment, you will see the register value, but then you have to go into the program itself again. लेकिन इसलिए अगर हम ये दो इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं लिखते और हम डायरेक्टली INT3 लिखते, INT3 is nothing but to set a break point. That is a break point या फिर to terminate the program. दोनों का काम एक ही होता है, to set a break point और to terminate the program. जब अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखा प्रोग्राम में और आपने INT3 किया और अगर आपने F9 दबाया, you won't come out of that particular editor window. You will not come out of the into the window. You will be same window when you use INT3H. Okay, you will be in the same window. That means your program has been executed. Now you can see the data segment, you can see the register values, you can see the IP, you can see the flag register, what's so not. Okay, you can see many things. Okay, so that is why INT3 is commonly used to terminate the program as compared to this. Okay, so this is the one 4CH. This is also used to terminate the program, but this is with the return code. And mostly what you have written, that 0 is generally considered as program terminating with successful execution. यानी F9 दबाने के बाद successful execution हो गया है, आप वहां से बाहर आ गए हो. That is the way. So that is the only difference between INT3 and this AH, 4CH and INT21H. Okay, now I will just show you. I'm talking about the function code. I'm talking about. हाँ.
सर अटेंडेंस ले लो.
अटेंडेंस हो गया?
हाँ ले लेती हूँ.
हो गया अभी मेरा भी हो गया. 2 मिनट सिर्फ 2 मिनट. So you have 01, 01, 02, 05, 08, 09 and so many. So I just need to, there is an appendix. There is an app which will show all these function codes. Okay. So we are not going to go into detail, and even you should not be able to learn all this one. But if you want to see, you can just see this. Okay. I'm just going to show this. Now you can see the table. Okay. Now this is called as interrupt number. Everywhere you will see INT21, 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 INT21. Now here, this is called as a function code. See, you will see here 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 78, B, C, D, F, 10, 16, 12, 12, everything. This is not only the one page. This page is also having many of the function codes. So if the question is asked in the exam, just explain any 5 or 4 depending upon how many marks the question is asked. Okay, and explain with this. Now this is the function code and their description, the dedicated operation. So there are 3 columns. Everywhere you will see INT21, their function code starting from 01 se leke, and this is the dedicated operation. Okay, so you have to just explain 5 functions which I have explained you, depending upon the question asked and depending upon the marks, and explain with the 3 sections first section is operation, second section is expects, third section is return. Okay, and with the example if possible. Okay, so this is how we have completed this chapter. Now module is completed. The next module will start from the next week freshly. Okay, that is interfacing of your 8086 with the other peripheral device. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can stay. Otherwise, after attendance, you can leave. Permission, madam, ले लो attendance. Parmeshwari, madam, are you there? Manish,
हा सर घेतली असेल सर मॅम
परमेश्वर मॅडम आहे का
करावं लागेल मॅमला मॅम त्या ऍपने घेतात ना ए कोई लीव मत करो हा क्लास
एकदा विचार.
हा मॅम लेक्चर मध्ये नाही येत आता
नाही आहे का?
मॅम येतील आणि घेतील
मनीष मॅडमला नाही तर फोन कर डायरेक्ट. नाही तर फोन कर.
होय हो सर एक मिनिट. सर मॅमचं नेट बंद आहे.
नेट बंद आहे का? बरं ठीक आहे मनीष, तोपर्यंत तू घेऊन घे. जर मॅडमने जॉईन केलं तर ठीक आहे, ना तर तू आता घेऊन टाक, मॅन्युअली घेऊन टाक. ओके.
रोल नंबर 1 रोल नंबर 1 absent 2 roll number 2 roll number 3
present.
okay, 3 present 4
4 present.
5
5 present.
6
6 present.
7 8
7 present.
8 present.
9 10
9 present. 10 present.
11
11 present.
12 present.
13 present.
12 13 14 present 15 15 16
15 present.
present 17 18 18
Present.
19 20 21
Present.
22 23 23 24 present 25
Present.
26
26 present.
27 27 present 28 28 29
Present.
30 30 30 31
31 present.
32 32 32 33 33 34 present 35 36 37
37 present.
Present.
38 39
38 present.
39 present.
40
40 present. 41 present.
41 42 present 43
43 present.
44 present.
45
Present.
46 46 47
मनीष,
हाँ मैम
Present.
अरे अटेंडेंस ले लिया मैंने.
हाँ बट मैम आपने बोला नहीं था ना, हो गया।
हाँ ठीक है मनीष
ओके ओके
अरे मेरा
ठीक है मनीष ठीक है मनीष
मैंने सर को बोला था ना, मैं ले रही हूँ।
ओके 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 मैम, नो
ठीक है
Okay,
no problem.
continue.
If you have any questions, you can stay. Okay, fine.
Awesome. Can I leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
हॅलो सर.
हा बोल मला आवाज येतोय.
सर आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये इंटर्नशिपसाठी कंपनी येते का कुठली?
नाही इंटर्नशिप साठी तुम्हाला अप्लाय करावं लागतं, कंपनी कोणी येत नाही.
अच्छा, मला वाटलं काही कंपन्या कॉलेजमध्ये पण येतात ना इंटर्नशिपसाठी.
नाही इंटर्नशिप मला मॅडमला विचारशील, पण ऍज पर माय नॉलेज इंटर्नशिप साठी त्यांच्याकडून असे कॉलेजला येत नाही, पण त्यांच्याकडून काय प्रपोजल असेल किंवा काय असेल ना तर ते आम्हाला मेल